guys, welcome back. So today is going to be a really short video, but I just decided to upload it anyway. So we're going to be making a zombie Spider-Man. So you will need this Spider-Man figure from the Homecoming sets. They released in 2017, I believe. And you will need this zombie Captain America from the Marvel CMF, and that released in 2021. So there's not really much else to talk about, so let's just jump right in. So, once you have your two minifigures here, what you're going to want to do is you want to take off the head of Spider-Man and take off this mask on Captain America. Take off the head of Captain America and put it on Spider-Man. And then you're going to take off the left arm of Spider-Man and replace it with the left arm of Captain America. Then you're going to take the right arm, take off the hand of the right arm, and then take off the right arm. And then you're going to want to take the right arm off of the Captain America, and then you're going to want to take off the hand of the right arm for the Captain America. And you're going to want to put on the red hand on the Captain America right arm. And then you're going to want to take off the legs of Spider-Man and replace them with the legs of Captain America. And that's pretty much it for zombie Spider-Man. Excuse me. The reds don't quite match up on the Captain America figure and the Spider-Man figure, but I think it's pretty close. I did get this Anakin hair from the Duel on Mustafar set, and I added it just to kind of give it some more extra detail. I know it's not the exact hair that Lego would use, but it's kind of the closest I have. So yeah, that's your zombie Spider-Man. And that's pretty much it. There's not really much else you can do with it. The red on the legs of the zombie Captain America minifigure didn't quite match the red of the Spider-Man minifigure, but I think it's close enough. There's really not much else you can kind of do for a zombie Spider-Man. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on The Art of Legos. Bye!